In this clip, I'm going to show you the types of tools that you use to turn a bowl, the bowl gouges, the scrapers. I'm going to talk to you about the lathe and the parts of the lathe and how it's used. We're going to talk about how to sharpen some of your tools and the types of grinders that you use to sharpen those tools and to hone them. I'm going to talk to you about the types of wood that you can turn and how to use the lathe accessories to hold those blanks, those pieces of wood on the lathe. I'm also going to talk to you about how to use a bandsaw to cut your blanks, and I'm going to talk to you about some of the safety equipment that we use, things like safety glasses, a face shield, dust mask, respirator, a dust collector, an air filter, things like that that are important to make sure that you stay healthy. We're also going to cover how to finish your bowl once you're done turning it, and things like sandpaper and the things that sandpaper are attached to, like corded power drills, random orbital sanders, and then the types of finishes you put on a bowl so that the bowl will look really nice when you have it finished.